Hello friends, I hope you guys doing well. In this session, I will explain you about the GitHub, and this is the first video for the video for the GitHub. And this session we will discuss about the very basic concept of the GitHub. Okay, so let me start. So basically, what is a GitHub? GitHub is a remote repository. So I can say where the developer can keeping the project related information data. Okay, so like when we are using the git okay, so first command is coming git init. So basically it's a to like git init will create a empty git repository. Okay, when you run this git init, it will create the empty git repository with the .git. Okay, and inside .git there are three types. Okay, so that those are WA, SA and LR. So what is the WA, what is the SA, what is the LR? So WA is working area, SA is staging area, LR is local repository. Okay, so now how do you know like where are you? Like when you run the git init, and that in because in that inside that how you will be find like where are you. So you have to use for that, that is one command, that is a git status. When you use this git status, so to identify, then it will do like it will be identify like file location, like where that your file is in which area. It's your working area or a staging area in local area. Okay, so now next, whenever you creating any file, okay, in a git, so what is happening that by default it's going to save in your WA, means in a working area. By default it will be saved in your working area. Okay, so now if you just to create the file and then you run that git status, then you will be see that file name it will be so it means that is in a working area. Now, so then how you transfer to working area to staging area? Okay, because it's that in your local machine, like when you creating the file, right? Then how you will be transferred to working area to staging area? So you have to use that git add command. Git add dot, like dot means your file name. You give the git add and your file name. So it will be transferred to working area to staging area. Again you use, like how do you know? So again you have to use the git status command, and then you will understand that your file is in which area now. Okay, now how do you transfer to a staging area to local repository? So then you have to use the git commit command. Okay, so if you use the git commit, then it will be transferred to the git staging area to in a local area. Okay, so basically this is a very basic, very basic things in a git when you are starting the work, because like only these 4-5 commands are the key player when you're using your git. Okay, there are many commands, so we will discuss about the next session, but this is a very beginning, and in the next session we will talk about how to create the git that account, and then we will how to integrate with your local system, like add that key and the username. So in the next session I will explain you. Okay, so once you created the GitHub account, you see it's look like it will look like this. Okay, so this is the branch. Inside the branch you can also create the, so it's showing the main branch. The main means master branch is by default branch. We will discuss about in the next session. And like if as per the project requirement, you can create the multiple branch, okay, in your inside the one project. Okay, fine. So like we will discuss about those things in the next session. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this, please subscribe my channel, comment and share it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.